Announcing our fourth album, Irish Sean Nos, Gypsy and Cajun Song at the Irish Roots Cafe with Mike OLaughlin. I thought I might give you a few little examples of what songs are actually in this album. It's just been released, CD Baby, Amazon.com, iTunes, the whole shooting match, and here's just a few samples without the official recording. We've got Sean Nos in the name, so it should be unrehearsed. But here's some of the songs that are on there. It's like, "A red is the rose that in yonder garden grows," and then I went out to a market for to fay. I fell in with the farmer chill the barnyard to Delgety. Ah, what put the blood on your right shoulder, son? Come tell it unto me, and tell it unto me. There is a house in a New Orleans they call the rising sun. Upstairs, downstairs, the lady ran. She took off her fine silk clothes. She put on a dress of leather, oh, and the cry through the halls is she's off and away with the gypsy, oh. I wish I had someone to love me, someone to call me their own. As I went, let me see, as I was strolling down Broadway, not intending to go very far, I spied a pretty young damsel a-plying her trade in a bar. Oh, the days of the carry dancing, the ring of the piper's tune. A Krishkeen lon, 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 me darling little Krishkeen lon. In a few but happy years, when grim death appears, he'll whisper, won't you come along with me? I'll say, begone ye knave, for King Bacchus gave me leave to have another Krishkeen lon, lon, lon. A goodbye, Joe, me gotta go. And that's just a little sampling I did off the cuff here in the studio, sitting at the chair early in the morning, about 5 minutes after waking up. Hope to let you know what it might be, and take a think about it if you want. Bye.